Yes, students, so we now move to the third part of information transfer, non-verbal to verbal. Again, this time I'm going to give you a table, and you need to convert that table into a paragraph. So this is the question which says study the table given below and prepare the paragraph on it. So this table is basically showing us the difference between the alligators and crocodiles. Like they have given us the distinguish between both of them. Like they've mentioned, alligators have U-shaped snout, whereas crocodiles are having it as V-shaped. Then alligators live in fresh water, whereas crocodiles live in fresh as well as saline water. Then alligators have wide jaws, upper jaw is wider than the lower jaw. So this way they have mentioned detailed description and distinguish between or differences between alligators and crocodiles. So we are supposed to convert it into a paragraph and give a title to it. So I read the paragraph that I have written. I've given the simplest of the title that I could give is alligators versus crocodile. You can give a good, suitable, nice title if you feel or if you have any better ideas. So I'm reading. The given title gives the distinctive highlights among alligators and the crocodiles. While alligators have a U-shaped round snout, crocodiles have a V-shaped nose. The following distinction depends on the living space of these reptiles. While alligators are discovered uniquely in freshwater, crocodiles live in both fresh and saline waters. Crocodiles have wide jaws wherein the upper jaw is wider than the lower jaw. Thus, just the teeth in the upper jaw are noticeable while its mouth is shut. In crocodiles, both the jaws are moderately thin and of similar size. Consequently, both the teeth are noticeable when the mouth is shut. While crocodiles have salt glands that are functional, alligators lack salt glands. The last contrast between the two depends on the presence and location of sensory pits. If there should arise an occurrence of alligators, sensory pits are found on scales just close to the jaw, though in crocodiles these are found in every scale of its body. So we have put into sentences the distinguished points that have been mentioned in the table. So this is the way we are supposed to write information transfer. So be it a be it a pie chart, be it a graph or a table or a flow chart, all these are supposed to be converted into paragraph. Again I repeat, a good title, 2 or 3 vocabulary words, you use phrases, so use words like consequently, not only but also. This is going to help you to join words and make your writing skill a good one.